The everyday waking reality that we are consciously aware of is the third dimension, or the physical realm. It is that with which we are most familiar, and it is that in which we conduct our daily lives. This physical realm is not the whole universe, but one of the multiple consecutive or interlocked dimensions of our particular universe. In this physical realm, the mismatch between space and time favors space. There is an illusion created in which space was a field and time was a river. You may consider space is volumetric and time is linear. We are located in a somewhat immobile state in the river of time, accumulating a past, existing within our present, anticipating a future. In the physical realm, the spatial orientation of material causes a tangible framework for illusion. You will notice that in this realm, it is time upon which one focuses, although it is space within which one moves. In this physical framework, a field or core vibration moves at a velocity which approaches what we call the speed of light from the direction of superluminal velocities. Here a velocity equals space divided by time. This realm with constructed space-time is expressed mathematically as space/time. The slash is used as mathematicians use a slash to indicate that one can be divided by the other. Many mysterious, unexplainable, or misunderstood phenomena in our dimension are events, states, or phenomena of another dimension manifested in our realm. In the metaphysical dimension, which is the reciprocal of the physical realm, the mismatching of time and space favors time. And so consequently, in this unseen realm, time is the field and space is the river. Time may be thought of as volumetric, if space is thought of as linear. This property renders beings and experiences intangible in a relative sense. The bodies have their physicality in an electrical sense rather than in a chemical sense. Experience in this realm is that which is very finely tuned and, although an analog of the physical realm's experience, lacking in its tangible characteristics. This realm does not have that solid connection with the passage of time. Entities therein have at their disposal the eternal present. In these metaphysical planes there is a great deal of what we call time, much as there is a great deal of space in our physical realm. Time travel is an impossibility in the physical realm. However, in the metaphysical realm it is the only way to travel. For it is time is the field and space is that which flows. It is difficult to imagine such a movement. It is not as simple as imagining traveling forward or backward in time from the standpoint of the physical realm. From the standpoint of the metaphysical realm, one can move in such a way as to witness the physical realm, even from different temporal vantage points. This realm is as complex and complete a system of illusions, dances, and patterns as is the physical realm, and has as structured a system of natural laws and qualities which are immutable. Here a velocity equals time divided by space. This realm is mathematically expressed as time/space. This realm permeates all physical dimensions, and we move within this as well. Each entity that has the appearance of solidity in the physical realm also has the metaphysical counterpart, which exists in a superimposed manner. It is not possible to be in the physical realm without also being part of the metaphysical realm. These two realms are inseparable. In the metaphysical dimension, there is a multidimensional, universal light energy which is omnipresent. The closest analogy is the cosmic microwave background radiation that fills all space in our dimension. The spiraling energy, which is the characteristic of this upward spiraling light, moves in a straight-line spiral, thus giving spirals an inevitable vector upwards to a more comprehensive beingness with regards to intelligent infinity. The term upward spiraling light is an indication not of our up and down concept, but an indication of the concept of that which reaches towards the source of love and light. The line of this spiraling light calls or attracts each portion of creation upward from density to density. Only our third dimension has past, present, and future. Each dimension beyond our third dimension has both the space-time and time-space qualities, and the space-time continua are not compatible with the third dimension. In the seventh dimension, time does not have sway. This dimension has the qualities of the metaphysical dimension.